mosquitoes are aggressive, but other than that, it's really pretty here. So we had our first issue. We stopped on our way here to fill up a propane tank, but we only have one propane tank. And so after we filled it up, we put it back in, turned it back on, and off we went. And then after we made dinner, I noticed that the fridge wasn't very cold anymore. Well, evidently you're supposed to turn the fridge off and then back on to reset it after you undo the propane. So oopsies, now we know. And so now it's like 60, almost 70 degrees in the fridge. And that was only after a few hours. So hopefully it doesn't take too long to cool down. And in the meantime, I put the chicken that's already cooked in the freezer where the ice we had in there is melting, but it'll be fine. So anyway, we'll see what happens. And this is the view outside. So it's very pretty. A lot of mosquitoes though, very aggressive mosquitoes. So I don't really want to be out there. There's people over there, but they're not near us, so that's nice. Well, we made it through our first night. It was really not too bad. Like, the bed's not the most comfortable because it's the mattress that came with the truck camper, but surprisingly it wasn't too bad. Now, we added a 4-inch mattress pad, and that helped for sure. So yeah, we slept pretty well. It was quiet. It's very quiet all night. It's really pretty here, really liking it. Now yesterday I told you about the whole refrigerator debacle, and so we've decided, well, actually there was just enough cell service for me to look up, is it safe to eat eggs that have been sitting out overnight? Which is basically what happened because the fridge was like 60 or 70 degrees for hours. And from what I've read, no, you really shouldn't. You could get salmonella poisoning. And so we're not too far from a grocery store, like 45 minutes, and it's kind of on the way to our next stop. So we decided we're going to go ahead and get more eggs and more almond milk because sure, it's kind of a waste of some money, but if you get salmonella and you have diarrhea and a fever and stomach cramps, you're going to think, I'd pay 10 times what it would cost to replace this food to avoid feeling this way. So we'll just avoid it in the first place and not take our chances. So that's what we're going to do. So pretty here. Now the mosquitoes are gone. They just like to be here in the evening and the morning, I guess. Found this place right along the river here, creek, whatever it is. This is the view from inside the camper. There's a creek you can probably hear, and it's